Today's video, guys, we're going to be installing the 034 Motorsport billet transmission insert on the Project S6. So I don't know if you guys can see that super well down here, but there you have it. Very simple 2-bolt installation replacement hardware from 034. So hopefully, again, the purpose with these types of upgrades is to really beef up the rigidity of the drivetrain, cutting down on any type of slop in between shifts. So definitely a must-have mod for any DSG. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box down below. So a very straightforward installation, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take a test drive. We're gonna see how it does. Alrighty, guys, so as you just recently saw, we completed our installation for our 034 Motorsports billet transmission insert. Very straightforward install, just a couple of bolts, doesn't take it very long at all. You guys know I've done this on a couple different vehicles in the past. I've always found with Audis, DSGs typically, there's room for improvement as far as kind of just tightening everything up, keeping that drivetrain locked down, cutting down on any kind of unnecessary slop or movement. So I want to kind of give you guys some first-hand feedback as far as what to expect with this particular transmission insert. Definitely feels pretty crispy so far. So far, I'm very happy with the results with the 034 trans insert. You guys know in the last car, the Project A3, same thing, billet insert, pendulum dogbone mount, all that kind of stuff, which applies to like the transverse mount, 2-liter cars like the A3s and S3s. And one thing I'll comment on, with the 4-liter platform, this mount specifically, I'm not really noticing any increase in vibration or harshness, which is definitely good. A lot of times once you start going crazy with a lot of like really beefy rigid inserts, sometimes that can translate to some unpleasantness coming through the inside of the car. And so far I'm feeling this is pretty tight, nothing too disruptive. I'm not feeling like this is anything that would really hinder the comfort of a daily driver. Freaking poles, man. Gosh, this car is a freaking rocket. A car this heavy should not move that fast, man. Basic cruising speeds, again, so far so good, no issues. I really can't complain. I think this definitely is a lot more comfortable, more livable than what you would get out of some of the transverse mount Audis or Volkswagens. Now you could definitely take it a step further if you choose to do so. At the bare minimum, I would say if you're gonna do it, transmission insert for sure. Next, beyond that, there are various upgrades you can do as far as beefing up any other weak components of the drivetrain. A lot of guys will do the drive shaft carrier brace, a lot of people will do the differential inserts, etc. Anything to help kind of lock down that drivetrain. For a lot of people that are really pushing the cars, if you're drag racing, if you're gonna be doing some launches, you wanna keep everything in place under hard load.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Wow.
I certainly can agree. Wouldn't be a bad idea to check those boxes if you want to make sure you've got the most confidence as far as your drivetrain. Oh my God, bro. This car is so aggressive, man. So aggressive. Oh man. So guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys as always for watching. I do appreciate all the support. If you can, hit that like button down below. It really helps me out. Leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Project S6. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.